Hi designers, this is Ms. Stapp here with a quick video of what the assignment is for today. And today is Monday the 19th. Now, if you were with me in class, then we would be going back to the lesson plan for B4. And you see I've pulled that up. I've added a little bit. So last time we were together for B4, you learned how to do orthographic projections from a 3D image. We worked on that together. The next thing that we did was we got onto SketchUp and created a chair through SketchUp. So you have a basic understanding of how SketchUp works. Now today we're going to take those skills and apply them toward your project, which is not a system. Let me change that really quick. Which is a house, but a sustainable house. So today you are developing planning drawings by hand or digitally that show at least one 3D image of your house, one plan, which is from the top, one front elevation, the front of your house, and one elevation, which is any other side. Now, I need to tell you that your 3D image, it may already be done. That can be your chosen design, and you've annotated it, and you've done it three-dimensionally or with that one-point perspective, and that is fine. You can drop that into this series of images. The rest, you're going to develop these orthographic images to go along with that one 3D image that you have, okay? However, some of my students that are working in SketchUp or in Tinkercad, and I'll show you that in a minute, have decided that they want to go ahead and use that 3D image they've created there. And you can do that. You're just going to add some annotations, much like what you did for your chosen design. Okay, so that is what I have there for you. Let me take a look down here. And you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. Here we go. All right. Now this isn't exactly like what you'll be doing, but it just gives you a visual of what I'm talking about. For instance, here is a 3D home, and you can see it. It's a perspective of a building. And from that, I've got a plan, which is the roof. Okay? Yep, pretty easy to make a roof. Eventually, we will create the floor plan, but that doesn't have to be right now. Here it says the left side elevation. Yep. And we've got our front elevation that I've talked about. Now, this set of plans has included the right side elevation as well. You don't have to have that. I have just asked for you to create, as far as your orthographic projections go, your roof, one side, and the front elevation. Okay? Great. That is what that slide is going to look like in the end. Okay? And it's going to be a part of your summative. Now, if you are absent for class today, you're going to go ahead and work on these plans, and it can be in SketchUp, it can be in Tinkercad. Oh, I'm going to pull up Tinkercad for you really quick so you can see what it looks like. And Tinkercad is much like SketchUp. You're going to want to go ahead and create a login for yourself. That's what I've done. Sign in. Sign in here. And as you can see, I keep opening and starting new projects. They're all cubes just like this, and they keep giving them funny names. And that last one I didn't name is Neat Bluff. Let's open it up. Actually, I'd like to create a new one for you to see. I'm sorry. I'm going to create a new design. Let's see what I name this one. And you see you have a work plane right here. It's very intuitive to use this. Over on the right-hand side, it's just off of my recording so you can't see, but I've got some shapes, and I'm going to pull a shape over so you can see. Look. Very easy. Shapes are, it has box, cylinders, spheres. I don't even have to create it like you do on Sketches Up. I can just grab what's already there and pull it over. There on the right hand side is also, if you click on that downward arrow under basic shape, it allows you to select text. So you'll be able to annotate on Tinkercad as well. So that's what Tinkercad looks like. It's really easy to use all these shapes, and I've seen some pretty, sophisticated houses created out of Tinkercad. In fact, I think you can just make as sophisticated houses on Tinkercad as you can in SketchUp. To me, the SketchUp just looks a little more sophisticated right from the start, but students in my class were able to make really nice houses in both. Now, you are welcome to use other programs that are available to you. In fact, you might use something like Paint right on your device to create these plans and these elevations that I've asked for your house. That is perfectly fine. Some people like Blender, I know. Anything that you like and are familiar with and want to use to create these plans and elevations is perfect. So let's go back. Make sure I got everything. The last piece here is that you are going to annotate, okay? And that is in the instructions. You must annotate the planning drawings. Now, if you're using your chosen drawing, again, you already have those annotations done. However, if you've decided to use the 3D image that you've created through SketchUp or Tinkercad or something else, you're going to have to add those annotations to your three-dimensional piece. And those annotations should just be Access FM specifications. So, for instance, a student asked me about windows. That was something that I said on my specifications would be a part of the environmental impact. And so, yes, you would say environmental impact, and then here are the windows that were specified and essentially what they do. It's real short, quick annotations. They don't have to be very much. And as we go along, again, part of your project is going to be these design plans. So you will continue to refine your designs as you go along. They can be pretty basic here. Your plan from the top can be just the roof. As we go along, you'll develop floor plans to be more detailed. But right now, these don't have to be 100%. These are just the basic plans moving forward. They'll get better, you'll have dimensions, you'll add more sustainable features, and so on. Now, if you are absent today and you are doing this again, the work and emailing it to me, you are going to show me proof of progress, which will be some kind of a PDF or maybe an image that you email showing me the work that you've done today on SketchUp or Tinkercad or with pen and paper. In fact, I've included a video here that tells you how to use some of those tools that you have right at home, a ruler, maybe a T-square, maybe a compass, to work on your pen and paper drafts, which is a perfect choice as well. So whatever you choose, you're going to make an image or a PDF of today as your assignment, and you are going to email that on to me, and I will give you credit for work today. I hope to see you next time, and please send me an email if you have any questions or any comments. Bye, guys.